Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Suzuki V-Strom 800DE first look. So make sure to watch the full video. At the International Motorcycle and Accessories Exhibition Show in Milan, Italy, Suzuki unveiled an all-new 776cc dual overhead camshaft parallel twin engine that will power two new models, the 2023 Suzuki V-Strom 800DE and Adventure variant, and the 2023 Suzuki GSX-8S, filling the gap between the venerable V-Strom 650 and V-Strom 1050 models. The V-Strom 800DE is aimed at riders who want a middleweight adventure bike that is fully capable both on road and off-road. It has a 21-inch front wheel, spoked rims front and rear, and the longest suspension travel and most ground clearance of any V-Strom model. Like other V-Strom models, the V-Strom 800DE has angular bodywork with a pronounced V that's inspired by Suzuki's 80s-era Big Dual Sport. Like the GSX-S 1000, monofocus LED headlights are vertically stacked with a position light, and the V-Strom 800DE is topped by a small height-adjustable windscreen. The new 776cc parallel twin engine uses a 270-degree firing order for strong torque character and is equipped with Suzuki's cross-balancer system to minimize vibration. Throttle-by-wire enables the Suzuki drive mode selector with different engine maps. The V-Strom 800DE is equipped with the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. That includes traction control with a trail-oriented gravel mode, ABS with 2 levels of sensitivity, plus the ability to switch off ABS at the rear wheel, a bidirectional quickshifter, and Suzuki's Easy Start and low revolutions per minute assist systems. A tubular steel mainframe, a bolt-on tubular steel subframe, and cast aluminum swing arm are designed to be both light and strong. The compact parallel twin allows the chassis to be slender between the knees and to position the rider's weight farther forward for optimal control. The fuel tank has a 5.3 gallons capacity. Fully adjustable Showa suspension includes an inverted fork and a rear shock with 8.7 inches of travel front and rear, and ground clearance in 8.75 inches. Dual 310mm floating front discs are squeezed by 2-piston Nissan calipers, and a single 265mm rear disc is squeezed by a 1-piston Nissan caliper. The clutch and front brake levers are adjustable for reach, and the shift lever and rear brake pedal are also adjustable. The 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels require tubes and roll-on Dunlop Trailmax Mixtor tires in R17 sizes. In the cockpit, the V-Strom 800DE has a wide, tapered handlebar with handguards, a full-color 5-inch thin-film transistor display, a USB port, and a windscreen that has 3 levels of adjustment in 0.6-inch increments. Hex key is required. A lightweight resin luggage rack has built-in passenger grab handles and accommodates Suzuki's accessory top box. A mesh radiator guard and a skid plate are standard equipment. The bike comes in with a curb weight of 507 pounds. The 2023 Suzuki V-Strom 800DE will be available in 2 colorways: Champion Yellow No. 2 with gold rims or Glass Matte Mechanical Gray with black rims. The 2023 Suzuki V-Strom 800DE Adventure, which features black anodized 37-liter side cases, side protection bars, and a large aluminum skid plate, will be available in glass sparkle black with gold rims. A full line of dedicated accessories will also be available. The 800DE will start at $11,349, and the 800DE Adventure will start at $12,999. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.